Zamboanga City hit by flash floods. Grieves, the Philippines. The Zamboanga flood caused many travel access to be obstructed, road access, sea access and even flight routes were cancelled. Approximately 15,000 people were affected by the floods in Zamboanga. Approximately 15,400 people from 5,546 families in 30 barangays were affected by flooding here on Wednesday, January 11, 2022, according to the Zamboanga City Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office, ZCDRRRMO. Transport operations were crippled as flights were cancelled and bus travel was initially halted, but then resumed slowly as officials believed the damaged bridge might collapse. All ships and ferries serving the Zamboanga-Basilan route have also been cancelled.